In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell assets on Behance. If you design templates, mock-ups, brushes, fonts, or other downloadable resources, Behance lets you present the work beautifully and sell the files directly from your project page. Make sure you're signed in to your Behance account so you can follow along. First, head to Behance in your browser and sign in. From the top navigation, choose Share Work, then select Project. This opens the project editor, where you'll build a compelling presentation for your asset. Add a clear title, a strong cover image, and a concise description that tells viewers what the asset is, who it's for, and how it helps. Include images or short videos that showcase the asset in use, so potential buyers can see results at a glance. Organize your sections logically and keep the visuals consistent with your style. In the editor, look for the option to attach assets. This is where you will add the actual downloadable file that customers receive. Click Attach Assets, then choose File to upload your deliverable. It's best to package everything into a single zip that includes the main files, a brief README with installation or usage instructions, and a simple license note. Keep names clean and versioned so buyers can keep track of updates. Next, add example images. These are the preview images that help people understand what's inside before they buy. Use crisp, high-resolution shots and show a few variations or use cases to build confidence. Complete all the details for the asset. Fill in a descriptive title, a clear summary of what's included, relevant formats or software requirements, and any limitations or compatibility notes. The goal here is to answer common questions up front so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Set the price you want to charge for the asset. If you haven't connected a payout method, you'll see a prompt to link a payment account. Click the connection option and follow the steps to connect either PayPal or Stripe. This ensures your earnings go straight to your chosen account. Once that's sorted, confirm your price and double-check all the fields for accuracy. Click Add Asset to attach it to your project. When everything looks good, choose Continue to Publish. Give your project a final review, add relevant tags and fields so it's discoverable, and publish. That's it. Your project now showcases your work and offers a clean, trusted way for people to purchase your asset directly from Behance. Keep your previews polished, your descriptions clear, and your files well organized, and you'll be set up for success.